What's up guys, it's Ian here, bringing you a joystick unboxing. It's a thrustmaster USB joystick for the computer. Let's just look at the specs now. So that's what it looks like. It says for Ampere, PC, iMac and a Mac, and it's USB, and you get cam. Let's see, let's get to unboxing this. Assume you go like this. Just right now. Come on! Alright. Open! Sorry guys. See, it's... Alright. Whoa, here it is. Okay guys, so here it is. Enjoy the joystick. It's USB. It's 2.0. Got your basic, easy, nice view sign, camera change, don't know what that's for, fire trigger, and this is I think for the camera movement. I'm sure it says on the box. Yeah, let's see, here it is. It says, we zoom in, focus, point of view button for perfect control, the handle with a large hand rest. Okay, so anything else in the box I'd be interested to. Yeah, there's a throttle down there. Smoky throttle, thrustmaster there. And you've got the wire, see how long the wire is. Okay, so just unwrap it. Sorry guys. This is a pretty long wire. Like, I'm finding out. Jeez, wait 2 minutes. See if I can set it here now. Wait, yeah. I think this is a long wire. Right guys, so let me just lay it out to full extent and I'll make you a thing. So there's the wire for the beginning there, all the way there. And there's the joystick there. So I'd say it's a pretty good joystick overall. So guys, that's been my review. I'm Aiden, and I'm out of here. Minecraft, iPad. Right. See you guys. Bye.